Alpha. Everybody say I'm close to her heart for her mind. She don't know say now other places I like close to. What's up, man? When I hear what she talk, I just got back from the States, man. Yeah, so I'm having problem with the way I speak. This is me naturally now. Comes from the inside. See Godons in the building, though. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Godons. They don't greet you before. They seen you before. Wow, nice. Who be this one where you carry it to? Oh, now madam. Madam. Good evening. Godons, you come show with your wife. Wow. Madam, your husband is a very good man. All the cities where they go now, only in they come. Yes. You don't use laugh cover. I'm just speaking the truth, Godons. On your way home today, madam, I know say you go to ask Godons. You go say, don't mind Bobby, that's how he jokes. I know they joke. I mean this one. All right. Chelsea fans, they're here today. Chelsea fans. Our market. Una play match today. Una not play. Hey, yeah. Arsenal fans in the building. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, today might be the last time you will ever see me on a microphone saying a comedy I do. I want to retire after this and force my son into playing football so that I will be his manager. Una hear how much they say sign Neymar? 198 million pounds. When you convert that ish into naira, it is 99 billion naira for one player. Why would they train these children for school? Now ball, now by force, my son must play ball. 99 billion, one player. I see Mike for airport yesterday. I said, come. Now the same ball name they play, you they play. Say, I said, I'm not sure. 99 billion to buy one player in naira. How that money want to finish? To just they play ball. See, you know, say since that boy small, now the papa say he don't suspect, say Neymar will be the best player in the world. That's why I say comedy don't finish. Now I'm a manager by force. He said that if he check from Bele, waiting Peking go be, some children would never have been born. Oh, my wife is pregnant, Father Lord. What is this child going to be at the peak of his career? God goes say the child is going to own a telecoms company called Glow. You will born the child. Now you go to take care of the belly. Oh, Father Lord, what is this child going to be at the peak of his career? The child is going to be a footballer. Which club will he play for? He will play for 3SC. Kill it. Oh, Father Lord, what is this child going to be? This child is going to be a comedian at the peak of his career. Is he going to be Bobby? No. It's going to be like Godons. Kill it. That Neymar Neymar's news never let me sleep. No verse. Can you be, you know the part where they make me the laugh pass? Neymar girlfriend leave him last year. Just because of small issue, small matter, she just leave him. Now see. I said, why your boyfriend just get small issue with you? You leave him. You know what Godon's wife does see. But she's still here. Because Godon's next year now, they will sign him for 99 billion. Godon's right? Right? You see, when you they run your mouth, you don't know say your day will come. We don't catch you today. Godon's a form clapping. For in mind, they say, oh God, keep Bobby now, keep Bobby. We'll die here together. Neymar girlfriend, leave him. I say, that girl not sharp. That's why I like Nigerian girls. Our girls are sharp. Our girls, they see future. They know who go make them. Just by looking at you. So when you see our girls, they do shakara. And make our men with the toast tea. They plant tea. But some of our girls, una go keep person with condition. Babe, tell my guy the other day, say, I will date you. This guy don't they toast her 6 months, she not agree. She say, I will date you, but we will not do anything until we marry. Why? If that is how it was supposed to be, man for not the function here. We for they go collect this package on our wedding day. As you wed finish, you and your wife, you don't carry the certificate, go where they sell them. We don't marry, or they'll say, let's check, they'll cross check. Say, all right, beautiful, you marry. Open the drawer, make them select. Vrr. Go look. Man go say, all this one, they're small, low. They'll say, now the new consignment be this. Let's say you wait till December before new supply. They're too small. I want to wait. You not get second hand. They say second hand. You want to try second hand? Some of them, the battery don't weak. Say, open. I say, open. Vrr. Go say, hey, I like that one. The woman go say, no, honey, leave that one. I know it. I got done, so. Say, you want to stay celibate. Some girls go follow you reach hotel. Check in with you. Bath. Wear your t-shirt. Come out. Everything. Only t-shirt. They go come say, stop. What are you trying to do? You follow me throughout the day. Reach midnight. Enter room. As you just, they go say, I'm not feeling you like that. You are not feeling me because if not worry, let me, you'll feel me. And some girls will give the craziest excuses. Babe, they tell my guy, say, any man I sleep with, he will not make it in life. The man say, I've made it already. Let's fire down. No need to argue. Put fear for your mind. Some go say, so you want to do. When you would expect to see my body day on fire, say, calm down. One guy home my guy the other day say, say, let us pray. You wear ordinary t-shirts everywhere day like this. Say, let us pray. How person want to close that prayer? You know how body they do man by that time? Let me tell you, according to science, the fastest thing in life is light. After light, the second fastest thing is sound. If you want to know how wrong science is, as a woman, guy, wait on they toast you 6 months. Any night rain fall, just take phone, send text. I'm cold and lonely. Wish you were here to wrap me up. Send. The guy don't appear. Now you're going to say, I was about to text you. You say, I get the text. I don't come. Say, are you nearby? No, I come. You don't see where man with the hurry go meet babe. They speed. When he back, Only lightning now they ask, who pass? Sound goes out, he say, now you. Poor man for high jump with excuse upon excuse upon excuse. The one way they make me laugh, pass. Now the one, guess we go give you hope, like say, today, after toasting 6 months, when you go they try, they're going to say, stop. You hold it and stop. That night, you go your day. As you just say, you try your luck. Your put kiss. She go, you let you kiss. You know, say men with a shock. Say, we kiss today. That make you say, Nigerian men don't know how to kiss. We know how to kiss. Now just the tension, say, as we get the kiss, we no one stops. So they chew the mouth, they go, you must not change your mind. Push and push and push and. You know what it is for a man? They go push you into bed. Come out first one. Come out second one. Come out third one. Remain the final, the smallest piece of item. As you just touch and the guy go say, hey, what's going on here? With a pound yam. That's what's going on. Yeah, God does. Yeah, God does. Oh, okay. You change seat. Hey. So, I did with my wife one day, now she tell me, say, let's do role play. I said, what be role play? She said, role play to spice up our sex life. I said, eh? She said, I want us to spice it up. I said, yeah, bring curry, bring thyme, bring Maggie. She said, be serious, Joe. I will be police. You will be Yahoo boy. I will come and arrest you. Then you will seduce me. Am I not your wife? I said, why not? No problem. I said, oh, Yana. She said, no. I have to buy police uniform. I said, uniform. He said, yes. How much for uniform? She said, 60,000 naira. I said, 60,000 naira for our normal play? She said, yes. For wiping. He said, eh. Take. She buy uniform. She said, that's not all. We need to buy walkie-talkie and handcuff. I said, for our normal play? She said, yes. How much? 30,000. Plus 60,000, 90,000. Say, yes. For our normal play? He said, okay. She buy. And so she arranged laptop. Say, oh yeah, be doing Yahoo. A day, she enter like police. Police! Freeze! You are under arrest. Hold me. We'll cause struggle. 4. I put the uniform. Reach border. Across. After everything, she said, very nice. The next one we will do, I will be nurse. You will be patient. I said, wait, this uniform don't work in money finish. She said, yes. I said, never. Imagine, say, I escape. So you are coming back to arrest me again. She said, that one is not good. Now I said, no. She said, so after that one, what will we do again? I said, when I escape the second time, you join CID. You wear plain clothes. You come and arrest me. And because I sabi escape, you bring your friends, 3 of them. Yes, that not be role play. Now role play now, make we they play the play, they go.
So keep logging him to Meta Home of Comedy.